Hello, Matt Davis here with another quiz question from section 5.1. Let's give it a quick read through. Consider the experiment where a single fair die is rolled and the face-up number is noted. Consider the following events. Event A, the number is a 5. Event B, the number is even. C, the number is less than 3. And they want us to determine the probability of not C and approximate that using 4 decimals. So to start off with, in the interest of giving help and not answers, we'll change this from the probability of not C to the probability of not B. So we're going to work on the probability of not B. So a couple things. First of all, we want to think about what our sample space is. We are rolling a single fair die and noting the face-up number. So our sample spaces are the different things that could result from that. So that would be anything from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So that's our sample space. And then we want to determine the probability of not B. So the first thing I would do is list out the events that are in B. So the B is the number is even. So from our sample space, that would be 2, 4, or 6. And that implies that not B would be all the stuff from the sample space except for that. So if it's not 2, not 4, not 6, then it must either be 1, 3, or 5. So the probability of not B is the probability of rolling a fair die and coming up with the number 1, 3, or 5. That's 3 numbers out of a possible 6 numbers, so that is 0.5. If they want us to use 4 decimal places, that's if we approximate. If we get an exact answer, we can put less. So we can just put 0.5, and that will be the answer here. Now, one of the likely mistakes that people make is when they read that it's not B, they think that means it's A or C. But not B has nothing to do with A or C. Not B only has to do with B and the sample space. So you think about what's in your sample space, 2, 4, 6. Eliminate those things from, what's in your event, 2, 4, 6. Eliminate those from your sample space, and not B is whatever's left over, which is the 1, 3, and 5. So there's no point in doing the probability of not B that I even am concerned at all with what does event A stand for, what does event Z stand for. They have nothing to do with it. It's just about the possibilities of B and the possibilities in the sample space and switching over from the original event to the leftovers and then doing the probability. So I hope that helps you out with where you're stuck. Good luck as you return to the quiz.